In 1978, Ron Rivest, Adi Shamir, and Len Edelman released the RSA public key algorithm. This RSA algorithm is used for the encryption and decryption, and the security of the RSA is based on the difficulty of factoring the large number. The basic algorithm for confidentiality is very simple. Here, the ciphertext is equal to plain text raised to e mod n, and plain text is equal to ciphertext raised to d mod n. So our private key is d and n, and public key is e and n. So here the difficulty is calculating in d and e. And while at the receiver end, when the receiver is decrypting this message, so he has to perform the steps like ciphertext is equal to plain text raised to d mod n, plain text is equal to ciphertext raised to e mod n, and private key is dn and public key is en. Okay, so generating the RSA keys. To generate the RSA key pair, the steps are: choose the two prime numbers p and q and keep them secret. Then calculate n is equal to p into q. So p and q are the prime number. So in the second step we have to multiply p and q. Then calculate phi n is equal to p minus 1 into q minus 1. Select E such that E is relatively prime to phi n, and determine D such that D into E is equal to 1 mod phi n and that D is less than phi n. We will see the example of this RSA generating of RSA keys. Okay, so first we have to choose the two prime numbers. Okay, so for example that prime numbers are 11 and 13. Now second step we have to multiply these prime numbers. So 11 into 13 is 143. Now third step is we have to calculate phi n is equal to p minus 1 and q minus 1. So p minus 1 means 11 minus 1 and q minus 1 means 13 minus 1. So it is 10 into 12 is 120. Now select the number E so that E is relatively prime to the phi n, that is 120. So for example we are choosing E is equal to 7. So determine D such that D into E is equal to 1 mod phi n. Therefore D into 7 is equal to 1 mod 120. So here we can find D as 103. So our private key is 103 and 143, and the public key is 7 and 143, as D is your 103 and E is your 7. Okay, now we will calculate plain text and ciphertext. Ciphertext is equal to plain text raised to E mod n. Let us assume that I wish to send 9. Okay, so 9 raised to 7, E is your 7 and D is 103. Okay, so plain text raised to E, plain text is 9 raised to 7 mod 143, so it is 48. So encrypted data is encrypted information is 48. Now we will convert this 48 into plain text. So plain text is equal to ciphertext raised to D. Ciphertext is our 48 raised to D. D is our 103 mod 143. So it is 9. Okay, so this is the RSA algorithm.